They broke both samples in the same place. Then they forced water through the crack and measured what came out the other side. One kept leaking, the other stopped. On one sample, the flow fell away 1 to 3 weeks, depending on the crack, until there was nothing. They opened it up. The crack had filled itself. A new mineral had grown inside it, calcite. These were not two different concretes. Same recipe. One ingredient left out of the control, and that ingredient has been sitting in Roman walls for 2,000 years, while we called it a mistake. We have known about them for as long as we have studied Roman concrete. And the explanation was always the same: sloppy work. There is a problem with that explanation. The Romans wrote manuals about this material. They argued about aggregate, a civilization that careful does not stir badly by accident, not for 2,000 years. So what if the lumps were never a mistake? Lime starts as limestone in a kiln at 900 degrees. What comes out is quicklime, dry, white, and violently thirsty. The standard account says the Romans drowned it first, slaked it safely, and worked with the paste. The alternative is that they did not. Hot mixing. Quicklime, aggregate and water together all at once. Quicklime meeting water releases heat fast enough to boil it, which is exactly why nobody assumed anyone would do it on purpose. And it leaves something behind, pockets of lime that never fully dissolve. Every structure cracks. That was never the question. A crack is a road. Water gets in, and what water gets into, it takes apart. Unless under the microscope the lumps have a structure, brittle, enormous surface area. Formed at temperatures only quicklime reaches, which makes them the weakest thing in the material. So when a crack travels, it goes the easy way, straight through the lime. Water arrives at a calcium source that gives way immediately, a saturated solution. And it recrystallizes. Calcium carbonate filling the gap, or it finds the volcanic ash and makes new binder. The flaw in the mixing was the repair. Now, what this proves and what it does not. It proves that a hot mixed concrete carrying lime clasts can seal a crack 0.5 millimetre wide under running water, and that the same recipe without them cannot. It does not prove that every Roman structure worked this way. It does not prove the Pantheon has healed itself, and it does not tell us whether the Romans understood any of the chemistry or simply knew what lasted. Did they know?